Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing something a little bit different. Instead of doing a makeup tutorial, I am doing a skincare routine. So I put up a poll on Instagram a few days ago and I asked if you guys wanted to see like a glitter eyeshadow look or if you wanted to see a skincare routine. So I got a heavy majority of you who voted for the skincare routine. So I was like, okay, I guess that's like what we're gonna do today. For your reference, I am not wearing a lot of makeup today. As you guys can see, I don't have a full face of makeup. Instead, I am actually following the makeup tutorial that I've posted and filmed a few months ago. It's called the No Makeup look. So if you guys haven't checked that out, go and do so after this video. I'm going to show you guys my morning routine and my nighttime routine because they are quite different. And yeah, I hope that you guys like it, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss another makeup tutorial with moi. And without further ado, let's get to it. Done. So I'm going to start off with my morning routine. Every morning I wake up, I brush my teeth, and I wash my face. So to wash my face, I either use an exfoliator or I use a regular face wash. So my full exfoliator, I can't really show you guys because I've actually run out, but it is like St. Ives Apricot scrub. It's like very, very popular. I feel like a lot of people use it. So yeah, I'll put a picture up for you guys actually like over here somewhere because I don't have it to actually show you guys. But so I usually exfoliate only once to 2 times a week. Sometimes I do 3 times if I feel like my face is like extremely dirty or that week I've like got a lot of like acne or like whatever. So usually it's between 1 to 3 times a week that I exfoliate. If you do it any more than that, it'll kind of dry out your face, so I wouldn't recommend exfoliating more than once to 3 times a week. So in the morning, if I'm not exfoliating, then I will usually use a regular face cleanser. For the mornings, actually I use this at night too, but regardless, the face cleanser that I use is a Fresh Soy face cleanser, and it looks like this. You guys can see. I really like this cleanser. It actually helps take off makeup as well, so I do use this at night as well. I love it. I think you guys should try it. If you haven't tried it, then definitely do so, and if you have, then you know exactly what I'm talking about, but the fact that it's amazing. So after I've washed my face and it is all clean, I actually apply my Farsali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum. In some videos, as you guys have seen, I have used this as a primer because it does work as that, but it also, it's supposed to be, I mean, I use it before I put on moisturizer because that's what the back says to do, but I really like it because before I even put on my moisturizer, it like it's a skin enhancing, so it kind of make it, on my face at least, I feel like it brightens my face up and it kind of makes it look a little bit more fresher than it did before I had it on. So especially on mornings when I'm going to work at like 6 a.m. in the morning, I put this on and it makes my face look a lot more brighter. It looks like I haven't just had like 4 hours of sleep. It looks like I've had 8 hours of sleep. So I know I like it. So after applying the Farsali drops, I will put on a moisturizer, and in the morning I use something completely different than I use at night. So in the mornings I use my Tatcha water cream. It makes my skin so soft in the morning and it like smooths out everything, and it doesn't really act as a primer for makeup, but I think it makes my skin a lot more smoother when it comes to applying the makeup. It helps a lot, like just smooth everything out. So that's why I really like it. I recommend it to anybody. I think it works for almost all skin types. I have like I have a combination skin type. Sometimes my skin is dry, sometimes it's oily, so I would recommend this to honestly anybody. Anyway, from there I go on into my eye cream. This is the Laneige Water Bank Eye Gel. I feel like a lot of the products that I use are really like water-based, and I don't really know why it works for me, but it does. I have like 3 or 4 products that are water-based, and they just like go on so smoothly and they moisturize my face really well. So this is great for the morning just because it helps it doesn't get rid of dark circles, but I think actually I'm pretty sure I use this in the No Makeup look, which I filmed. So definitely, once again, you guys should go see that. But basically this cream, what it does is it just like makes the under eye area like a little bit less puffy. So in the mornings when you wake up, if you had like 4 hours of sleep like I usually do, my eyes get really, really puffy in the morning. So then if I put that on, it kind of reduces the puffiness. Anyway, from there I go on to the rest of my body and moisturizing my hands and my legs and stuff like that. So I got this. This is actually a really funny name. I know you guys have heard this. It's the Sol de Janiero. This is their little bum bum cream. This is just the sample size. Their actual big size is like huge. It's huge. But this is the sample size that I got with some of my Sephora points. The reason I like this so much is, one, because it smells amazing, and then two, it makes your skin so soft. Like my hands, I feel like get really dry throughout the day. Like I think this is the only part of my body that gets like really dry. But if I wear this I use this in the morning, and it just makes my skin so nice. Like so nice. I love it. I would highly, highly, highly recommend. Honestly, any of the products I use, I highly recommend since I am using them. But that one, highly recommend. So the last part of my daily routine before I put on all my makeup is I apply some of this Agave sugar lip scrub. So I mean, like I would show you, I guess I can open it. It's by Bite, by the way. So this is their sugar scrub, Bite's sugar scrub. My lips definitely get like pretty chapped, like throughout the day. Like in the morning it's chapped when I wake up, then at the end of the day it's chapped. Like just throughout the day it's just like this constant like chapped feeling. So I do carry around a chapstick with me throughout the day, but in the mornings I definitely try to exfoliate my lips. So I wouldn't recommend using a lip scrub every day unless you have very chapped lips that are like weirdly chapped in the morning. The reason I like this is that like the actual agave makes your lips so soft. Like it is a miracle worker. Once I'm done putting on the lip scrub and I've wiped it all off and everything, I go over it again, my lips again, with Sugar Lip Serum from Fresh. So after I have like taken off all of the lip scrub, I go back over my lips with this lip serum. This is from Fresh again. It is a Sugar Lip Serum Advanced Therapy. It is with smoothing Camellia flower. Yeah, I really like it. It's amazing. I'm actually running out. I'm actually gonna put some on right now because I need it. Yeah, this stuff is amazing, especially after you exfoliate your lips and they're all like, all the dead skin is gone and everything. This just like makes them so smooth. So that is my morning routine. That is what I do before I put on a full face of makeup every day. I highly recommend for anybody, like if you have combination skin type or dry or oily or really anything, I highly recommend that you have a routine for your face. Whether you don't need to have a morning and nighttime routine, it could be the same if you so choose. But I think that it's really, really important that for the morning, especially, you have some sort of moisturizing regimen before you put on any kind of makeup. It'll really, 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 really help. Like, and it's gonna help with anti-aging. It's gonna help you put on your makeup more smooth, and it's just gonna make your face feel a lot softer than if you didn't. That was my morning routine. I'm gonna go on to my nighttime routine now. When I have a full face of makeup on, I have to take off my makeup. Anybody, you should always take off your makeup with a makeup cleanser before you put on, before you wash your face or you put on any sort of moisturizer, because you really need to get rid of the daytime's makeup before you go on to washing your face. So important, so important. Anyway, so once again, I have run out of my makeup remover wipes, but what I do use is my Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. They're so popular, I feel like everybody in the world uses them. They're like a little blue bag thing. I love them. They work really well for me. They're oil free for anybody who has oily skin. Actually, there's an oily free option. I think there's like a regular option too if you, I don't know. Anyway, so the Neutrogena face cleanser wipe, makeup remover wipe things is what I use. Once I'm done with that, I will go on to wash my face, and I start off with the Tatcha One Step Camellia cleansing oil. It's just an oil. I usually just put a few pumps in my hand and I put it over my dry face, and then I will just rinse off with some water. So yeah, I haven't used this enough yet to know what it does, but I do know that oil is very beneficial for your face, especially a cleansing oil. I think that it's supposed to help with taking off makeup. I definitely use it a lot around my eyes. And then after I'm done with that, I'll just go over with my Fresh Soy Face Cleanser again. Yeah, there's not really much else to say about that I haven't already said. So after washing my face and patting it down, I will go into my moisturizer, and at night I use the Cerave Facial Moisturizing Lotion. So this is a lotion that is specifically for nighttime. It says PM right on the top over here. And yeah, I've been using this for a long time. It's very nice. It makes my face really soft at night. And yeah, so sometimes I will trade in my CeraVe lotion for this Laneige water sleeping mask. Yeah. So I really liked this product specifically just because it is so light on your face. Like, it is a mask, it is a sleeping mask, so you're supposed to keep it on overnight, but it really just feels like a lotion. I will go to bed with it, and then I'll wake up and I'll like rinse it off, and my face will just feel so much more hydrated. Like, my face will be brighter than it was the night before, and it'll just seem more, like, my face will seem more fresh and just happy. You only need that for once or twice a week, as it says on the back of the box. Let me just check to make sure that's right. Maybe I'm not right. Oh yeah, it says use once or twice a week. So I think that if you wore it, I don't know why you wouldn't be able to wear it more than once or twice a week, but I'm sure they have their reasons. So after I'm done putting on all of that moisturizer lotion on my face, I will go into my lips, and I have another Laneige product, and this is their lip sleeping mask. Oh, there you go. I really, 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 really like this. I think I like it more than I like the water sleeping mask. This is a little bit thicker. It's like a thick chapstick. It's like chapstick, but like a mask, you know? It does really help with chapped lips. I would say their claim that it helps plump up your lips might be a little exaggerated, but it does. It's very nourishing. It's so hydrating. My lips wake up feeling happy as ever, and then when I exfoliate them and then I put on the sugar lip matte, like the sugar lip therapy from Fresh, they're just happy little campers. So I really like this. If you have chapped lips, I highly recommend that you buy this product. It's not that expensive. It's pretty small, but there's a good amount of product in it for a very small bin. Anyway, so the last thing that I do before I go to bed, I wouldn't say this is a skincare product, but I don't know. I've just started using it. Honestly, I don't think it works that well. I might have to get another one, another company or something, but this is a lash and brow growth serum. So I only put this on my lashes because my eyebrows are already pretty bushy, but yeah, it's supposed to help grow your lashes, and I've been wearing it like I said, I just got it like maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. I haven't noticed a considerable change, and this is from the company Organyc. I just got this because I wanted to try it out, and it's not really working so far, so I'm probably going to go in for something else. But yeah, that is my whole skincare routine. So something I do want to say is, just because this routine and these products work for me and my skin type does not mean that it's going to work for everybody. So I know the problems in my skin that need fixing, which is why I have got these exact products. This is not going to work for everybody, but there are some products, like I said, that I would recommend for everybody, like the Bum Bum Cream and the Soy Face Cleanser. But then there are products like the Lip Serum and then the Lip Sleeping Mask that I would only recommend for people who have chapped lips. So, even though I am saying all of these products and I'm saying how amazing they are and like they're awesome and whatever, don't feel like you have to get everything, and don't feel like just because it works for me, it's going to work for you. So I think that the most important thing for someone who wants to start a skincare routine and doesn't know where to start is to figure out what kind of skin you have. If you have dry skin, you need to focus on oils and like hydrating things and things that are going to make your skin a lot more softer because you have kind of like a coarse, dry skin. If you have oily skin, you need to look for things that don't have a lot of oil in them. So you need to look for moisturizers that are specifically oil-free, like my Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. Those are oil-free, and exfoliating is important because you have a lot of oil buildup in your skin. So I think the most important thing for everybody is to figure out what your skin type is, and from there you can find products that are specific to your skin type. I hope that this helped you guys out a little bit, and if it did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you!